How to upgrade to premium on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upgrade to premium on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to upgrade to premium on Spotify, all you have to do is you can do it from the app for Android users but not for iPhone users. So just for the better context, I will open up my browser. I would recommend you do the same. Open your browser, go to spotify.com and log into the account where you want to upgrade the premium. And once you've done that, tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen here. Then you'll find this option that says premium. So when you tap on the premium option, you'll be able to view all of your current plans over here. Once you view the plans, just tap on the get premium option here. As you do that, enter your payment details such as a credit or debit card, your billing address by the way, and then your PayPal ID, and then you have successfully bought and upgraded to Spotify Premium. This way you can upgrade to Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.